Assalamu alaikum friends. Easter is just around the corners, and today we are sharing beautiful and creative Easter centerpiece decoration ideas, whether you're hosting a touch, a branch decoration you're leaving to, or just want to add a festive touch to your home. These ideas are simple, fun, and sure to impress. First up, fresh flowers, pastel colors, nothing say Easter like tulips. Arrange them in a vase, jar, or even a rustic basket. Add some decoration, Easter eggs into the plum or softs and texture instantly creative, very cheerful and inviting centerpiece. Let's talk about Easter eggs. Paints, glitter, or wooden eggs can be arranged in bowl, tray, or nest like basket for an extra touch. Combine eggs with moss or sharp paper scraws. These little details really make your centerpiece pop and brings that classic Easter vibe to the table. Candles are another way to add warmth and charm. Use pastel colors or whites candles and pair them with flowers or small Easter. You can also tie ribbon or around the candles for a rustic look. Soft candlelights make any centerpiece feel cozy and festive. Don't forget seasonal touch, little bunny or tiny nest with eggs can bring the playful and fun elements to your decoration. You can even create a layered look by small and large elements like flowers in the back and decorative eggs in front for interested. Handmade touch make your centerpiece unique. Try crochet flowers, papers, or paint wooden eggs. Even a small hand paint saying Happy Easter adds a personal touch. Mixing dye elements with start items, creative, um, creative and personal display. For a more dramatic look, try arrangement, choose cake stand, tray, or even a basket with the different levels to display your item. Place large element at the bottom and some smaller ones on top. This creative high interest and making your centerpiece stand out as a suitable showpiece. And there you have it, multiply way to creative stunning Easter centerpiece. Whether you prefer fresh flowers, decorative eggs, candles, touch, these ideas will brighten up your home and impress your guests. Try mix these elements together to make your own unique Easter display. If you enjoy these ideas, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Easter centerpiece creation in the comments. Happy decoration. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.